Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Risk Reward Full Guide. First, open your chart and select the long/short position tool from the left toolbar. Click your entry, drag to set stop loss, then extend to set target to visualize reward and risk. Adjust risk-reward ratio by moving anchors and entering exact price values for precise calculations. I will walk through examples and common pitfalls in a clear step-by-step way. Open TradingView and select the long/short position drawing. Click at your planned entry, then drag the red handle to your stop loss and the green handle to your target. Enter numeric values if you want exact price points or adjust by percentage to test scenarios. Watch the panel show risk amount, risk-reward ratio, and position size suggestions. Practice on a demo chart until the workflow feels natural and quick. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes it easy to set trade alerts, timers, and voice reminders while you monitor charts, and it sounds great on your desk. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. After placing the tool, study the displayed metrics like risk amount, and risk-reward ratio. Compare different stop placements to see how the ratio changes and how it affects potential profit and loss. Use 1:3 or 1:2 ratios as starting benchmarks, but tailor them to your strategy and win rate. Remember to factor in fees, slippage, and position sizing so that the trade aligns with your risk management rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.